Unboxing! Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. Comment, like and subscribe. Today we do another unboxing. Thanks to Ryan, the second car. He bought me this one. Let's take a look inside. First of all, we have to see the box. This is the box. The box art is always the same. This is the transmission, and here is important. It is re-release an update version of 1988 four-wheel drive buggy. This is what I have mounted 2 or 3 times for my clients when I used to have a shop, and this is the name of the Italian dealer. Okay, I don't say any other things. Includes electronics, forward and reverse speed controller, and the box art is quite the same, usual for Tamiya at the highest level. Top box art. I love this. Open the box. Open the box. Take the camera here and open. Inside we can say, what a beauty. What can I say? No words. ESC, the body. This is a Lexan pre-painted body. This is new. The wing too. The wing is here inside. Lexan pre-painted body. I like to do by myself, but this is nice. This is made by factory. Okay. First thing new. The old version you had to paint. This is the frame with the battery compartment. Hard plastic, good plastic, Tamiya plastic. And then we have the plastic bags with the front and rear bumper. This is the wing support. Then herein, what do we have? Okay, this is the part for the ESC or something like this. Shock tower, rear shock tower. Differential case. Differential case. This is the bottom of the differential case, I suppose. This is the upper part of the frame. This is the battery cover, the battery door, and here we have these are the rear suspension arms, lower suspension arms, and here we have other pieces for the transmission gears, transmission parts, tires, standard spike tires, Tamiya spike tires, rims, nice rims, not to be painted. Then here under we have papers. Papers, they are important. What do papers say? Okay, this is the shop where I bought this model. Instructions, standard, wonderful, perfect Tamiya instructions, and we will see step by step when we will mount the model. Do you remember Avante? This is an upgrade of that great car, very heavy but technologically terribly advanced. This is an upgrade, more plastic, but the ground was that. Wonderful. These are the usual warnings. This is from the shop, the Italian shop. Stickers. Stickers, stickers, stickers. No masking stickers because the body is already painted. And these are a note for the ESC from the Italian general dealer. Okay, how to program the ESC. And this is all for papers, but it's not all for the car, for the unboxing, because we have another box. A wonderful grey box with the model over here. And what's inside this box? What's inside? One-handed opening. Is it all? Aha! This is new. Once they didn't use to put a sponge. This is old, but without this we can say it is a Tamiya model. No more news. Then we have the pilot. Yes, this is quite the same of the Avante. Shock absorbers, classical plastic yellow shock absorbers. Gears, transmission gears, servo saver, and the bag with all the mechanical parts. And now we see, sorry for the camera that goes. Okay, this is a stabilization bar, very interesting. This is a grease. I became made on these boxes, are so nice. Okay, grease, Allen key, motor mount. Sophisticated. And this is for the shocks, oil. Wonderful. Usually they make in plastic this, and now here they are. But I see this cut here. Perhaps bearings. So we have bearings. I was saying perhaps new tool. This can be closed with a screw. No. We will discover what they are for and how to use them. Engine. This is the engine. Wow, it makes me cry. Why? Sport tuned. This thin wires. This is so wonderful car with this terrible engine. Tamiya. Okay, this goes in the engine box. Transmission shaft. Wow. In gold, they have made aluminium and gold. Originally, Avante was casted aluminium, and it was quite fragile. This is yes. This is one piece, and very big bearings, bars. Technically, I think this is much better than the old one. The first version, the one I have mounted 3 times for my clients. And, okay, this is all. This is all. One day we start the adventure. Have you seen what's inside this wonderful box? There's a wonderful model. Now what we need to work it is just a steering servo, battery charger and radio. But this is standard for almost all the kits you have to mount. This is not a ready to run. This is a ready to play, and you will have a lot of fun. And I will show you. By now, remember, comment, like and subscribe. Subscribe overall. And thank you very much. Up to the next. Stay safe. Ciao a tutti from Nanni.